Hey guys, so last time I showed you where to get the sounds, now this time I gotta show you how to download them. Okay, hold on. Alright, first you search for your sound. Just do punch again. Okay, first you search for your sound. And then, once you find the right one, once you find the right sound, okay, that's good. Once you find the right sound, you right click on this little speaker right here, and you click save link as. Or if you're using Internet Explorer, you might have to press save target as, and then this will come up and you just save it as what you want. And then that's pretty much it.